Hello everyone. Now you are watching Zeal News. I am Riva Rathi, your host with August bulletins from Zeal Junior College, Sangli. So let's move towards the headline. Zeal Junior College harmonizes first parent-teachers meet 2022-23. Zeal orators explores their views on 75th Independence Day in an elocution competition. Zeal commemorates 75th Independence Day, that is Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. Zeal regulates one-day dental checkup campaign. Zeal Junior College of Commerce compiles first PTM of first unit test. Great opportunity to know and to work for purification and modification of student performance and to ensure best academic and non-academic performance of child. After the 2 months successful running of the session 2022-2023, we had our first PTM on 6th August 2022. It was very interactive and fruitful. Parents who started off with a lot of inhibitions were full of confidence on that day. The parents of students who joined initially were satisfied with manner in which their wards had settled in their new classes. They were appreciative of all the subject faculties, went on to thank those who took extra efforts for their child's improvement. The parent-teacher meet was collocated with 3 sessions. First session was for grade 11 and the second and third was for grade 12. Honorable Principal Madam, Science Coordinator and Sports Coordinators addressed to the parents. Mr. Suresh and Mr. Santosh sir, they delivered brief ideas about NEET and JEE examination with PPT presentation. Parents were mesmerized by their breathtaking amazing knowledge and tricks. They also shared their experiences of making things differently. The main purpose of meeting was to create a common platform where teachers and parents come together to enrich the students' educational experiences and to discuss the progress of their wards. The educators also shared individualized education plan of the children in a special curriculum. Parents were pleased with the frequent communication between the teachers and them as it was helping in the progress of their wards. The PTM came to an end with the conclusion that the progress of students depend on the joint effort of parents and teachers. Zeal Junior College conducted the English elocution competition for grade 11th and 12th Science and Commerce streams. This is done annually in an attempt to promote English speaking skills in terms of pronunciation, delivery and voice modulation and to develop English in its spoken form. This year too, several students gave in their names as participation, which resulted in a keenly contested audition round. The topics were as follows: Scientific achievement in post-independence India, Unsung heroes of Indian independence, Are we really independent? Role of women in India's independence, and youngsters' role to develop India. The competition began with an introduction to the judges, who were faculties from across the school. All the participants performed exceptionally well. The competition gave a lot of encouragement and confidence to the performers and to all the students present there. This was the platform to those who were facing the phobia, and the young and gifted orators had grabbed the opportunity and they were overwhelmed by their oratory skills and preparation. This was followed by the announcing of the winners amidst thunderous applause. The confidence, expression and talent of the young ones, the event truly memorable. The competition ended on a happy note and the discipline of the student was commendable. The orator who secured first position, that is Riva Rathi, second position Ashna Kumbhar and third position Trupti Rajput respectively. May we all be together, may we all contribute, may we all believe in the development of the country. Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav is an initiative of the Government of India to celebrate and commemorate 75 years of independence and glorious history of its people, culture and achievements. This Mahotsav is dedicated to the people of India who have not only been instrumental in bringing India thus far evolutionary journey, but also hold within them the power and potential to enable Prime Minister Narendra Modi's vision of activating India 2.0 fueled by the spirit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Flag hosting ceremony on the occasion of 75th Independence Day of India, celebrated with great enthusiasm at Zeal International School and Junior College. Sangli in the presence of Honorable Chief Guest Mr. Bhimrao Dhulubulu Sir, President Dakshin Maharashtra Sahitya Sabha, Guest of Honor Honorable Shri Rakesh Katkar Sir, Co-Secretary Zeal Education Society, Pune, Honorable Sanjay Mahadik Sir, Director ZIS Sangli, Honorable Mrs. Meghali Narguche Ma'am, Principal ZIS Sangli, Dr. Alvin Singh Sir, Science Coordinator, Mrs. Neha Sada Ma'am, Commerce Coordinator, Mr. Sharad Nagne Sir, Sports Coordinator, all teaching and non-teaching staff of school and college. Students and parents was eyewitnessed in large number. To mark this momentous occasion, students exhibited their hidden talent with speeches and all sport demos. Overall, the demos depicted the wow moments and they hypnotized the viewers and listeners. Healthy teeth for happy smiles. Knowing the importance of teeth, Zealian had arranged a dental checkup campaign associated with Bharati Vidyapit Dental College. Dentist had visited to check dental health of our junior college student. This was the first time our college organized such an event indoor our healthcare campus. A team of doctors along with postgraduate students and auxiliary staff rendered dental care. The campaign was inaugurated by our principal Mrs. Meghali Madam, Science Coordinator Dr. Alvin Sir, Commerce Coordinator Mrs. Neha Sada Madam and all faculty members. Many students from both the streams participated in the campaign. Dentists also expressed their profound appreciation for the models and the oral education material displayed at the campaign. Students were not aware about the gravity of some of the oral diseases of teeth. The dental campaign received great appreciation and patronage from the students. The students got ample opportunities to interact with the doctors and to inquire and gain knowledge concerning oral diseases. On completion of the dental checkup, each student was given a report summary of the diagnosed problem and the recommended dental treatment plan. The principal, coordinators and students thanked the team of dental doctors, paramedical staff and the management of Bharati Vidyapit and the Management Dental College for rendering moral and selfless service to the school. Zeal Junior College of Commerce organized first parent-teachers meeting. The main objective of the meeting was to create a common platform where teachers and parents come together to discuss students' performance and devise ways to enrich their learning experience. Whilst this happens on offline basis with current situation. It was held on 27th August 2022. The result and answer sheets of unit tests were shared with students and the parents. The top 3 students were Raghav Patel bagged first rank, Vedika Patel bagged second rank and Kaivalya Kulkarni bagged third rank. The parents gave their valuable feedbacks about all the subjects and discussed their progress in each subject. Overall, the PTM was conducted smoothly. Commerce Coordinator Mrs. Neha Sada Ma'am and all the Commerce faculty members were present for the parents-teachers meet. As we know, in the August month, Zeal conducted subjective and objective tests. It's time to declare results. From PCM, Arjun Bhosle secured first rank both the category test and Vaishnavi Patil secured second rank in both the category test. From PCB, Viraj Patil secured first rank both the category test and Sanket Mani secured second rank in both the category test. This was all from the month of August. We will be back soon. Till then, stay tuned, stay connected.